Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your assets around. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Robinhood to Uphold. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Robinhood and Uphold, and some Ethereum sitting in your Robinhood wallet. Also, double-check that you're familiar with the basics of crypto wallets and transfers to keep things secure. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the crypto section, where you'll see your Ethereum balance. Select Ethereum from your portfolio, and look for the option to withdraw or transfer it out. This is usually under a Send or Withdraw button. Click that to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter the destination details. For Uphold, you'll want to use their Ethereum wallet address. Hop over to your Uphold account, go to the Ethereum wallet, and copy the address provided. Paste this into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Make sure it's correct. Crypto addresses are case sensitive, and one wrong character could send your ETH into the void. Once you've entered the address and the amount you want to transfer, review the transaction details. Robinhood will show you any fees involved, which can vary based on network congestion. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. Keep that safe. Now, switch to Uphold and keep an eye on your wallet. Transfers on the Ethereum network can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the gas fees you paid. Once it arrives, you'll see your Ethereum balance update. A quick tip. In 2025, with Ethereum's upgrades, fees might be lower, but always choose a standard or higher gas fee to speed things up. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check blockchain explorers like Etherscan for status updates. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. There you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. It's a great way to diversify your holdings or access more features on Uphold. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.